Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing your body is already burning fat before you've eaten a single bite. No injections, no pharmacy runs, no monthly bill that makes your jaw drop. Most people spend thousands of dollars chasing a solution that comes with nausea, dizziness, and weight that crashes right back the moment they stop. And the cruelest part? Even those expensive medications don't touch the real root of the problem, the fat quietly building up inside your liver right now. But what if you could target the exact same fat-burning hormone those injections copy for less than $1 a day? That's exactly what we're digging into today. And near the end of this video, I'm going to reveal a surprisingly simple and completely free method that could make everything you learn here work even better. Most people completely ignore this one tiny habit, but it may be one of the biggest secrets behind faster fat burning and long-term weight loss results. So stay until the end. Here's what's actually happening inside your body right now. Your gut produces a hormone called GLP-1. This is your built-in appetite brake. It tells your brain you're full, slows digestion so meals actually satisfy you, and keeps blood sugar steady, which is the master switch between fat storing mode and fat burning mode. The problem is, this hormone survives barely 2 minutes before an enzyme called DPP-4 hunts it down and destroys it. That's why your appetite comes back faster than it should. That's why fat stays put. And that's the exact enzyme that the most expensive medications on the market are engineered to block. Ozempic doesn't create something new. It simply protects what your body is already trying to make. And here's what those pharmaceutical companies never talk about. Certain foods do the same thing naturally, without the side effects, and without the $1,000 monthly price tag. The first ingredient is matcha, not a dusty tea bag from a grocery store shelf. Real, high-quality, ground whole leaf matcha. Matcha is packed with compounds called catechins, the active fat-burning warriors inside green tea. When you brew a regular tea bag, you steep the leaf and throw it away. You're drinking a pale, watered-down version of what that leaf actually contains. When you drink matcha, you consume the entire leaf ground to powder, delivering anywhere from 3 to 10 times more catechins per cup. That is not a small difference. That is a completely different drink, delivering a completely different result. Now, here's the research that genuinely stopped me in my tracks. Scientists ran a double-blind clinical trial with 17 patients who already had fatty liver disease, a condition affecting nearly 1 in 3 American adults right now, and most of them have absolutely no idea. After 12 weeks, researchers ran ultrasounds and CT scans to look directly inside these people's bodies. The placebo group gained weight. The low catechin group lost a little, but the high catechin matcha group lost significantly more body fat, and their livers healed. The liver fat ratio went from below 100 all the way back to 101. The fat was visibly leaving their livers. Liver enzyme levels dropped significantly only in the matcha group, not the regular green tea group, only matcha. Your liver is the gatekeeper of your entire metabolism. When fat builds up inside it, your body cannot efficiently burn fat anywhere else, no matter how perfectly you eat or how consistently you exercise. And those expensive GLP-1 injections everyone is talking about, they do not fix liver fat. They were never designed to. Matcha does both. The second ingredient pairs with matcha so perfectly it almost feels designed. It's called moringa, known around the world as the miracle tree. The reason moringa belongs in this drink is a specific compound in the leaf called isothiocyanates. Those compounds attack the same DPP-4 enzyme that's destroying your GLP-1 from a completely different biological angle than matcha. Stack them together, and you're hitting that enzyme from 2 directions simultaneously. This plant has been used in traditional medicine for over 4,000 years and studied for fat loss, blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Basically, the entire list of things expensive prescriptions are written for every single day. In a 16-week human clinical trial, people using a moringa-based supplement lost an average of 6 times more fat than the placebo group. 6 times, not 6%, 6 times. And just like matcha, moringa shows strong evidence of protecting the liver and even preventing fatty liver from forming in the first place. Here's exactly how to make this drink. Start with 8 to 12 ounces of hot water, not boiling, because boiling damages the catechins. Add half a teaspoon of bright, vibrant organic matcha. That deep, rich color tells you the potency is intact. Then add your moringa ground leaf powder. Make sure it is the actual ground leaf, not an extract, because heat processing destroys the isothiocyanates that make moringa worth drinking. Whisk everything smooth. Now, before your first sip, squeeze in a little fresh lemon juice. Studies from Purdue University found that up to 80% of matcha's catechins get broken down in digestion before absorption. That lemon preserves 5 times more catechins through your digestive tract, taking you from absorbing 20% to absorbing 80%. Same cup, 4 times the result. You can also add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to blunt the blood sugar spike from your next meal and push further on that GLP-1 pathway. And whatever you do, skip the sugar, skip the flavored syrups, and go easy on dairy. Dairy proteins bind directly to the catechins and block absorption. Use a collagen protein creamer instead if you want that rich, satisfying texture. Drink this 30-minute to 2 hours before a meal so matcha and moringa have time to fully activate before food arrives. And since matcha contains about a third of the caffeine in coffee, keep it at least 2 hours before bedtime. Protecting your sleep is non-negotiable for fat loss. Before we go any further, I want you to subscribe to Dr. Wren's channel, like this video, and share it with someone you love. And remember, always consult your doctor before trying any medication or solution mentioned here. This video is for educational purposes only. And now, that free habit I promised. Walk. 10 to 30 minutes right after your meal. A study from the University of Chichester found that women who combined daily matcha with a brisk walk burned 35% more fat during that walk compared to women who walked without it. 35% more fat burning from the exact same effort. People who walk just 10 minutes after a meal also have significantly lower blood sugar levels throughout the entire day, meaning lower insulin, meaning fat-burning mode stays on for hours afterward. And walking itself triggers your gut to release even more GLP-1 naturally. So your matcha protects the hormone, your moringa protects the hormone, and your walk produces more of it. 3 levers, 1 hormone, all pulled at the same time. That's not luck, that's a protocol, and it costs you nothing but a short walk after dinner.